making Papa G's secret spaghetti sauce. Start out in your pot with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and go ahead and add your onions and your garlic. Cook them until the onions are translucent and the garlic is fragrant. Be careful not to burn that garlic though. Add your tomatoes. And go ahead and add that tomato paste as well. And I added a little bit of water in that just to kind of pull it up a little bit before I put the tomato paste in. We're going to add some more hot water. Making a big batch. Go ahead and stir all that in. Now we're adding the rest of the seasonings here. That's all of the seasoning. We're just going to add it right in there and stir it all in. Get them friendly in there. Now we're going to cover this. Put it on like a medium heat and just kind of let it cook for about an hour or two. Then when it's done, you can take the top off and let it cook and go ahead and cook down any of the liquid to desired consistency. And there it is. That's Papa G's secret sauce right there in the bowl. I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description, but I'm going to go ahead and give you the recipe right here anyway. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for Papa G's secret spaghetti sauce. Please like and subscribe. And I have to say it in Italian, ciao.